Survival is the ability of an organism to endure and adapt to different environmental conditions. In order to survive, organisms must have access to basic necessities, such as food, water, and shelter. They must also be able to protect themselves from predators and overcome obstacles to find resources. Different species have evolved various mechanisms to ensure their survival. For example, some plants have developed long roots to reach water deep underground, while others have evolved to store water in their leaves. Many animals have developed camouflage or warning signals to ward off predators. Others have developed strategies for hunting efficiently or escaping from danger. Human survival is also dependent on these factors. But with more advanced technology, we have created new methods of ensuring our survival. We have developed tools for food production, built shelters for protection, and have created social systems for collective security. However, despite these advancements, natural disasters or accidents can still threaten our survival, requiring us to adapt and overcome challenges in order to endure. In conclusion, survival is a fundamental aspect of life, and it requires organisms to adapt to their environments and overcome obstacles to ensure their continued existence. By understanding the different mechanisms and strategies used by various species to survive, we can better appreciate the diversity of life and work towards ensuring the survival of all species, including our own.